Hello, my name is Rama Aditya. I'm from class 9207. My name is A15 2021 02204. Protecting the environment is one of the obligatory tasks of every human being. This needs to be done to maintain the survival humans, animals, and plants. If not treated properly, the natural environment will be damaged and can threaten every living thing. And when is the natural environment? The natural is the environment formed by natural process. The natural environment consists of various sources from nature, both in the form of physical, biological, and non-biological. Simply put, everything that is not man-made includes the natural environment. Indonesia is blessed with, with a very beautiful natural environment. The vast expanse of tropical forests, the beauty of the sea, to the mountain ranges are Indonesian natural wealth. Unfortunately, no, nowadays the environment of Mother Earth is starting to break down, where humans and other living things are very dependent on the environment. As shown in the picture, there is a picture not the natural environment that has a sad face and expression in front of human hand holding a gun, which means that the environment is often damaged by evil human hands. Why did it happen? Because humans usually destroy the environment because of the demands of a place to live and their daily needs. It is not uncommon for humans to damage environment as a means of enriching themselves. We should start caring for and protecting the environment so that it remains sustainable. What are the causes of destruction of nature destroyed by humans? There are so many reasons explained. What it? The fish. Okay, next. The first in environmental pollution. Environmental pollution can occur in water, air, or soil. The three types of environmental pollution and can affect human health. The impact is that various types of disease appear. In addition, environmental pollution in water, air, and soil can also disrupt the ecosystem and the biota contained terrain. The second is the flood. Flooding is one of the impact of environmental damage that often occurs recently. When the rainy season arrives, several areas in Indonesia are hit by floods. Floods are caused by people who do not care about the environment, what usually happens is forest fires. Forest fires are the impact of environmental damage that should be a concern. Because if the forest burn, the habitat of wild animals will be threatened in along the world. If the forest completely engulfed by the red roster, then the trees cannot absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. And this is very dangerous, namely global warming. Global warming, or what is known as global warming, is often associated with the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect causes the Earth temperature to become warmer. Global warming is also caused by in carbon dioxide, CO2, while oxygen is running low, and this last cause is landslides. Landslides are the impact of natural damage. The most receive special attention because natural disaster, landslide often cause many casualties. This natural disaster is caused by human who carelessly cut down trees without reversion. When will human destroy natural environment? Humans can damage the environment at any time they want. Therefore, it must be prevented by inviting them not to litter, replanting denuded forests, or reforestation on land where trees must be replanted, and doing terracing. Okay, thank you.